Yo, 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 yo. Happy Thursday. What a unbelievably hot day. I should say week. I just wanted to do a quick garden tour before some of the flowers start to die off here and the new ones start to come around. This is the outdoor garden 2023. Added fencing around these metal ones because I don't know if I had an update video on this, but something came and ate every single one of my broccoli that I was so excited for. I didn't replant anything, so they are starting to come back up, which is nice. I don't know how well the harvest will be, but I've added some mint plants in different spots just to protect some things. But the lavender is taken off, crazy. We got zinnias, straw flowers, some snapdragons going on in here. Looking beautiful. The snapdragons, zinnias. Some more snapdragons in here. The delphiniums here, these things are almost done. But you can see they look so beautiful. I just wanted to get a video of these. Wow. Every year these blue ones come back even stronger. We picked up a pink and a white one this year because we lost the pink and the white ones from a fungus problem. Some cosmos in there. A dahlia in there. We got gladiolus right there. And then these are all dahlias. Those are all dahlias. All different style puffs. Most of them are puffs. All starting to come in. A little herbs, we got some chives and some spinach right there. A couple of our blueberries that are just starting right there. The raspberries that I planted this year, so next year they'll probably start to fruit. We've got the golden raspberries and then just some red. And speaking of fruit, actually there is one right there on the, right there on the golden. And this is cool too, if anybody wants to comment below. Notice that the golden raspberries don't really have a spiky stalk compared to the red raspberries. So if anybody's looking for that, I don't know if that's for all of them, but some more mint, some chocolate mint. These were the leftover potatoes. I just threw them in here and they're growing really well. As you can see, the cannabis plant, we did the triangle mints this year. I put it out here when it was down here and it's taken off and it's looking really nice. Got to go in there and probably cut off some of those lowers, but we've got lots of growing space, about 9 feet. So strawberries and asparagus bed. Painted some rocks red to get the birds to stop eating all the strawberries. Oh, look at that little zinnia or snapdragon in there. But you can see they're flowering now. I was picking all the flowers for the longest time, but I stopped because it seems like it's spread pretty good. It's crazy actually, some of the asparagus are actually popping up this year. I only planted these like 4 months ago and some asparagus flowers are popping up, which is pretty cool. You can see the potatoes in the greenhouse just protruding out. Looking good, but yeah, all dahlias. This is all of our cutting flowers. I got some daisies for Oki's birthday, and inside the greenhouse, which is super hot right now, I've got the irrigation system going. I removed all the peas, and I've got beans and soy spinach planted there, and all beans right here. Some eucalyptus, some lanky lettuce, still perfectly fine though. Some cucumber. This plant is doing really nice. We've got a peanut plant, which is cool. I was digging a hole outside and I found a peanut and I planted it, and look at it, it's taken off. We got some Rosa Sharons here that I'm just kind of hydroponically growing, kind of propagating, I guess. Some hostas for the front garden. Cherry tomatoes growing up and over. I've been just kind of bending it around this this string that I put up here. It seems to be working. Potatoes. They are flowering now, which is nice. I got a really good potato harvest here last year. A lot of people have told me they're cold crop, they hate the heat. they seem to be doing pretty good here in the hot greenhouse. So we'll see again how the harvest is. Right here we've got some climbing beans and some bush beans, wax beans, a whole bunch of different ones. I already harvested a whole bunch here, some yellow. You can see some green beans there, some climbing up there. Our peppers, started these off from seed. Some more cherry tomatoes. These are just extras that I started from seed, and I just been kind of throwing them in here. And threw a trellis net up behind it, and they seem to be doing pretty good, as you can see. Our basil, 2 different, just normal and your Thai basil. And I do actually have, this is a beefsteak tomato here. It's crazy, and I actually have 1 broccoli just chilling back here, and it's just huge. Probably not going to actually give me anything, but kind of cool. But yeah, the greenhouse looking good. The exhaust system's working good. It's just ridiculously hot out today, so there's nothing we can do about that. But yeah, once all the beans start popping up here, that's going to be awesome. And then the apple trees, for everyone who remembers me planting those. The ambrosia on the left is doing awesome. The one on the right, I'm pretty sure is dead. I did the scratch test on it, and I don't see any green, so pretty sure she's dead. I planted over in this corner, I planted some pumpkins. Let's go over there and look at them. And I planted some extra cucumbers right there as well, actually. So just some cucumbers, hopefully you can climb up with that sun. And then, like, this apple tree is looking really nice. But yeah, this one I'm pretty sure is done. Scratch test a couple times and I got nothing. And then, like I said, just the pumpkins right over here. We had a cannabis plant here last year and it seemed to grow pretty decent. So pumpkin, and all of the seeds from these pumpkins were from the one that I had growing there last year. So that's pretty cool. All of the peonies are all done. Our shade garden over there is pretty much done. But yeah, it's looking good. We're gonna start to expand over here soon, where we got the rhubarb over here, but slowly expand here, get a composting station over there. But it's looking good, guys. It's looking really good. I'm happy so far. A little pissed off about the broccoli, but overall everything else I'm happy with. The flowers really make just every time I come out here, it just makes me smile seeing these things. It's just beautiful. But fam, I appreciate you guys tuning in, watching the videos, supporting the stream, supporting what I do. Keep cool, keep smiling. Peace, love, and cheers.